Welcome back to part 2 of the video. I just landed in Dallas. That's my face after 24 hours of not going to sleep. Oh yeah, lean it. Made it to Dallas, let's do it. We're back in the motherland, so let's do it. Back in Texas, we missed the weather. The weather was hot a couple of weeks ago. My dad was complaining, oh, it was 105, 106, whatever. In Milwaukee, it was 75, 76. No big deal. Well, as you can see, we've made it to Texas. Back to the motherland, back where I belong. But did I have fun? Heck yeah. So just if the weather was like this all the time, this would be great, but obviously it's not. In Milwaukee, this was the summer right here, 70s. And now here, obviously this is not Milwaukee. So kind of another cool thing that's going on right now is the solar eclipse. If you look up there, you can see it just a little bit. It's like it took a chunk out of the sun. That's happening right now. My buddy Larry's in South Texas trying to get the full effect. So I told him just to stop. I don't know if he ever stopped or what. Oh, there he is. They're over there. There he is. There's my dad. Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. Long time no see. Come on. Yeah. Funny enough, he was asking me, what do you want for lunch? Maybe. You guessed it, boy. That's where we went. Chick-fil-A. So we're here, and I don't know if you can tell, but you can kind of see it. Maybe, maybe not. In my shadow right there, but it's kind of dark. Motherland. So we made it back to the motherland with Duty here, my dad. You guys here in the backseat. So I don't know. Same color.
Yeah. Same tires.
Same tires.
Didn't have a stripe with it?
I don't think so. That's what I'm saying. Like, I don't think that's the same one. Kind of a quick update, but it's currently, what time is it? It is currently 9:55 p.m. on Saturday night, the 14th. I have to be back at work at 9 a.m. on the 16th. So, let's see how it goes. But before we go back to Milwaukee, I gotta say hi to my grandma. Haven't seen her in a little while. You know, gotta go say hi. So that's where I'm headed. She doesn't live too far from my house, so let's go. So we're still running behind time as per usual with F6B_Adventures or F6B Adventures, whatever you want to call me. We're always running behind on time. It is 11:12. I said that I would be at my grandma's house for like 30 minutes, maybe. I was there for like a good hour, probably. But now it's time to go home, or back to Milwaukee. So let's do it, and let's have fun doing it. So if you're new to the channel, get used to it, okay? Every time we pass by this particular place, we have to stop. Just about every time. The only time we wouldn't stop is if we just got gas or we just ate. But just about every single time we stop somewhere or pass this place, you have to stop. I'll give you a hint. It's Buc-ee's. That's the hint. $12. Holy shit. Yeah. Thank you though. We're gonna pay with a credit card this time.
Sounds good. Whatever you like.
I'm going to Milwaukee right now, so I have $20 cash. It's not gonna do too much. I always say it every time. The only thing I wish Buc-ee's had was like a place to sit down if you're not on in your truck or somewhere. When I come on the motorcycle, there's no place to sit down, so I'm stuck eating right here on whatever this is. This is a grill. I'm stuck eating on the grill. It's currently 1:46 a.m. and we're in New Boston, Texas. I didn't make it that far, but I'm already nodding off. And when you're nodding off, it's time to stop. I've done it before where I'm on the motorcycle or I'm driving the car and I fall asleep. Oh shoot. It's not very good. It's not very safe, you know, blah, blah, blah. So we're not gonna play those games today. It's been a long day anyway, so I'm tired. So let's go to sleep. We're gonna take a nap here in Loves. If you want to see how I'm gonna sleep, this is how I'm gonna sleep. I have my pillow over there. Here's my sleeping area. Good night. It's gonna be great. I'll wake you guys up in the morning.
6 hours later.
Good morning. It is currently 7:07 a.m. Honestly, it wasn't that bad. It was kind of comfy because it's kind of chilly. So yeah, let's get up. Let's continue the show. I really didn't even make it that far. I made it maybe like 100 miles, 120 miles maybe from Dallas. So let's keep going. Okay. All right, everybody. Like I said, it is 7:16 now. Let's get going here. It's gonna be a long day. I'm kind of rested, ready to go. So when you're ready to go, that means let's go. So let's go. So we're in Little Rock, Arkansas, not too far from Texas still, and gotta get some gas. This thing likes to drink gas. As you see, I like to drink alcohol in Vegas, of course, but let's keep her trucking here. The thought is speed, and we're trying to keep the speed going here. $3.19 a gallon, but I have to check the oil and maybe get some drinks, but let's check the oil first. Gotta check the oil. Here we go. Pull the little tab, check and make sure. Nice and fresh, nice and clean. Check it one more time to make sure. We're good. All right, it's all about speed, so yeah, gotta go. Pump the gas. Put this here. I think this would be a part 2 to the motorcycle videos, but if you're enjoying it, thank you so much for watching. If not, well, there are other things to watch, I guess. Come back for our regularly scheduled programs once I get back to Milwaukee. We're gonna go and make this eventful. Let's do it. Somebody keep track in the comments here. We have 312 miles. And I spent $62, 19 gallons, 19.44 gallons. So $62 right now.
If you listen, help! I can't take it no more!
If you ever wondered how baby trucks are made, or little trucks, they do it a little different than humans do, but that's how trucks are made, right there. So if you've made it this far into the vlog, we're making a small detour. I think if you're into the videos, you know that we're all about the detours, right? The detour today, I'll give you a hint. If you're at the Eagle Wings Motorcycle Association rally, you'll know that it was based in Knoxville, Tennessee. So that's where we're headed. Not to Knoxville, Tennessee. That's a little too far for me. But we are going to Tennessee. I'll show you on the map. We're making a small little detour. I was currently on 40, and then I just went a little bit further, and then I'm backing up and going straight north on 57. It adds maybe 30 minutes, but we're gonna stop somewhere, and that's gonna add about 30 more minutes, minimum 30 minutes. We're in Tennessee, baby. Let's do it. Memphis. But look at that's the building we're going to right there. So pretty cool stuff. Look. It's cold. I should have worn my pants. Let's go buy a gun. I'm just kidding. Let's go buy a knife or something maybe. I don't know.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey. Look at this place. They have like a full-on boat area.
I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat.
With real ducks. The only bad thing about this place, it's so dark in here. Like you can't really see it on camera, but it's really dark. So I was looking for a window, but there's no window. I was worried that the dark light here wouldn't really show how cool this place is, but it does. It shows. Here's the question though. Do we go to the top or do we not go to the top?
We all kissed the fish and released him. Before the fish even got back to the bottom, Johnny started making plans on turning this place into an outdoorsman playground. A good fish story, huh? Well, you're just about to the top, and I want you to go and have a big time at the lookout. Don't forget to step out on those glass overlooks.
Let's check it out. We're on top of the pyramid.
There you go. There's Johnny up there.
This is pretty cool, I guess, right? As you can see, we made it to the top. It's cool. It's not worth the hype, I don't know. Kind of cool, I guess, but we're here. This is the halfway point kind of to Milwaukee. Not really, we still have a long time to go. So we might have lunch here on the pyramid at the top. I pass this place all the time, but we have to, we're here. We might as well get some lunch. So got quite a ways still to go, but let's do it. They have alcohol and look at the fish. Kind of cool. They have some fish. Quick tour. Aquarium. Restaurant. That's all you get. That's all you need. And a cool dog. One thing that would be cool to show is they have alligators here, or crocodiles, whatever it is. Long reptilian. Look at it.
Where's the ring?
Let's get out of here though. I gotta go. Got a long way to go. But before we go, we might have to go to the shooting range. They have a full-on shooting range here. Ready for it? This is hard. Come on. Ooh, spooky. That's it. That's good enough. Let's go. On to Milwaukee we go. That's done. Let's go back to Milwaukee. This was supposed to be the scene where we go back into Arkansas, but this is us going back into Arkansas, but it doesn't show the welcome to Arkansas sign. Whatever, close enough. You get the point. Look at it, you can still see it in the rearview mirror.
I just want to add and say it wouldn't be a F6B Adventures trip without a little bit of rain, okay? If you've kept up with the videos, you know that we kind of encounter rain like every other video, especially up north. So, just fitting with the program, we gotta have rain.
Like 55. 50 something, yeah. No, but it's in total I got 461 miles left to go all the way to the house, so currently talking to my dad on the phone. The video camera making my video of me crossing into Illinois. Not Illinois, Dennis, that's for you. I was feeling a little tired from my food, but I'm okay. No, I feel good now. Roundabout. Woo! Lean angle. Ooh. Ooh.
We've got a badass over here.
What the hell? Oh, yeah, there you go. Just a quick little update. We have 406 miles left to go. 5 hours and 49 minutes left. We are in Illinois and we have to pump gas again. I'm at 658 miles. So let's do it. I won't make a video of this part, it's just pumping gas. But for that one guy that cares how much gas costs, it is currently $3.35 just north of the Illinois border. And I think my gas is telling me something. Wow. Trying to get lucky, I guess. I'm gonna go get some drinks. We're like 300 miles from Milwaukee. It's a long day. Kind of tired. My butt kind of hurts. It's better than being on the motorcycle, I'll tell you that much. Comfort wise. Fun wise, obviously the motorcycle wins all day long. Chicago. The beautiful city of Chicago. So it is currently 9:28 p.m. and we're in Chicago, just north of Chicago. Look at the gas prices. $3.59 a gallon.
I can't take it no more.
Ooh. I just put some in because I needed some gas, not because I wanted gas. It's too expensive. I don't want to pay that. So, but I got to put a little bit to make it back to Wisconsin to get the cheap gas. How's the view down there?
If you made it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching the whole thing. This was a long trip. Ugh. But I'm home now. Home away from home.
We made it to Wisconsin. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! I stopped 35 miles, 37 minutes. But we made it. There you go. Maybe you can see me a little better. We made it to Wisconsin. Woo!